the critical importance of your first $100,000 on the road to wealth. Hello, financial mavericks. Welcome back to the Financial Context channel, where we break down the complexities of finance into actionable insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone aiming to build substantial wealth: why the first $100,000 is essential on your journey to financial success. Stick around, because what you learn today could be the key to unlocking your wealth potential. The significance of attaining the first $100,000 on the path to wealth. I hope this video finds you well. Today, I want to shed light on a pivotal aspect of financial success: the attainment of the first $100,000 and its profound implications on the journey to wealth. Hitting the milestone of $100,000 is more than a numerical achievement. It represents a critical juncture in the pursuit of financial prosperity. The significance lies in several key factors that contribute to shaping a robust foundation for wealth accumulation. First and foremost, the first $100,000 initiates the powerful phenomenon of compound interest. This foundational sum acts as a catalyst for exponential growth over time. By reaching this milestone early, individuals allow their money to work for them, compounding and multiplying their wealth as they progress along their financial journey. Equally important is the development of financial discipline. Achieving the first $100,000 necessitates consistent saving, budgeting, and strategic investment. These financial habits, cultivated during the process of reaching this milestone, become ingrained, setting the stage for continued discipline in managing larger sums as one's wealth expands. Beyond the numerical value, the first $100,000 serves as a safety net, providing a crucial buffer against unforeseen circumstances. This financial cushion offers peace of mind, ensuring that unexpected expenses or economic downturns do not derail one's progress toward wealth accumulation. Furthermore, the attainment of the first $100,000 unlocks a realm of new opportunities. Whether it's exploring diverse investment portfolios, venturing into the real estate market, or initiating entrepreneurial endeavors, this initial capital provides the flexibility to take calculated risks and diversify one's wealth-building strategy. In essence, the first $100,000 is not merely a financial milestone but a strategic stepping stone toward greater financial freedom. It accelerates the wealth-building process, opening doors to possibilities that might have seemed out of reach. It's a testament to resilience, discipline, and the potential for sustained financial growth. As you navigate your financial journey, remember that the first $100,000 is not just a number on your balance sheet. It represents the initiation of a transformative phase in your quest for wealth. Embrace the opportunities it presents, stay disciplined in your financial approach, and let this milestone propel you toward greater financial success. The first $100,000 marks a pivotal milestone on the journey to wealth, serving as a financial cornerstone that can profoundly shape one's financial trajectory. At its core, this initial sum symbolizes the commencement of the compounding magic that is fundamental to wealth accumulation. The sooner an individual attains this benchmark, the longer their money has to grow exponentially through compound interest, setting the stage for substantial financial gains over time. Beyond the mathematical allure, achieving the first $100,000 demands a level of financial discipline and consistency that becomes ingrained in one's money management habits. It is akin to laying the groundwork for a solid financial foundation, where budgeting, saving, and investing wisely become integral components of one's lifestyle. Furthermore, this amount acts as a crucial safety net, providing a buffer against unforeseen emergencies or market downturns, thereby offering financial security and peace of mind. Importantly, the first $100,000 opens doors to diverse investment opportunities, allowing individuals to explore new ventures, enter the real estate market, or diversify their portfolios. It is this initial capital that empowers individuals to take calculated risks, fostering a more dynamic and accelerated path toward wealth accumulation. In essence, The first $100,000 is not merely a numerical achievement but a strategic milestone that unlocks the door to financial freedom and prosperity. We often hear that the first $100,000 is the hardest to save and invest, but have you ever wondered why? Well, let's break it down. Segment 1. The power of compound interest. The magic starts with compound interest. Your first $100,000 is not just a sum of money, it's a foundation for compounding. The sooner you reach this milestone, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Compound interest works wonders over the long term, and your first $100,000 is the launchpad for this financial rocket. Segment 2. Building financial discipline. Getting to $100,000 requires discipline and consistency. Whether it's budgeting, saving, or investing wisely, the journey to $100,000 instills financial habits that are the bedrock of wealth building. It's like training for a marathon. The discipline you develop during the initial stages sets the pace for the entire race. Segment 3. Creating a safety net. Your first $100,000 isn't just a number, it's a financial safety net. Life is unpredictable, and having this cushion provides peace of mind. It serves as a buffer against emergencies, unexpected expenses, or sudden market downturns. Achieving this milestone offers a level of financial security that allows you to weather storms and stay on course. Segment 4. Unlocking investment opportunities. Once you hit $100,000, doors to new and potentially lucrative investment opportunities swing open. Whether it's entering the real estate market, exploring diverse investment portfolios, or starting your own business, having that initial capital provides the flexibility to take calculated risks and diversify your wealth building strategy. Segment 5. Accelerating wealth growth. Think of your first $100,000 as the momentum needed to propel you forward. With this foundation, your wealth building journey gains momentum. Investments that seemed small initially now yield more significant returns, and you're on the fast track to accumulating wealth. It's the snowball effect of financial success. In conclusion, the first $100,000 is not just a financial milestone, it's a game changer. It lays the groundwork for compound interest, instills financial discipline, provides a safety net, unlocks new opportunities, and accelerates your journey to wealth. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial insights, and remember, the first $100,000 might be tough, but it's the stepping stone to financial freedom. Thank you for joining us today on the Financial Context channel. Until next time, stay financially savvy.